Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Let's do today's daily recap and start talking about what we see moving forward. Yesterday we talked about the markets possibly getting a little toppy. The move up, the equivalent of the move up in the, let's just talk about the S&P. The equivalent of the move up in the S&P is very similar to the ones in the past. We're not going to go into great detail, but if you look in the past, the market has been moving up very nicely here, and this most recent run up is very similar to the size of the most recent move ups, the legs of the most recent moves up. So we talked about possibly getting a little bit toppy, and we also seen a little bit of the volatility index looking to maybe start to roll up. So it kind of got confirmed a little bit today. Nothing's confirmed until we can break the low of the previous trading day, which we have not yet done today. We haven't broken yesterday's low yet, so we'll come into tomorrow with the same mentality, thinking that, hey, if we can break through the previous day's lows, we will get aggressively short here. Today it was actually a very interesting day in the live trading room today. We took 5 live trades. I haven't taken 5 live trades in the live trading room in over a week. So today we happened to get a lot of good trades in the live trading room. Had a really good day, a breakout day as far as trades go and performance goes. So we got very active today in the live trading room, so that's good. But I did notice that most of the volatility, whenever the volatility picked up, we had nice big pushes to the downside. So as you see here, we just now had another one. It's been really quiet for most of the day, but whenever we get these quick moves, they're always to the downside. It'll slowly grind its way back up and then sell off quickly again, then slowly just work its way back up and then sell off quick. That is actually a good sign for potential selling to happen in the future. So I'm going to remain somewhat neutral, because we have not broken below any of the previous day's lows or anything like that. But coming into tomorrow, if we start to break down, we start to get some weakness here, I will start looking for some short side opportunities here in the S&P. Let's look at the NASDAQ. Same thing going here in the NASDAQ. We've not broken the previous day's lows yet, but the intraday sell-offs are much, much stronger than these slow grinds to the upside. So any type of volatility picks up, any more volume comes into the market, we could see a little bit of a pullback here in the stock index futures. Same way here with the Dow, and then here again with the Russell. We had a nice pop to the upside yesterday. Today we're having a little bit of a pause. So I'm curious tomorrow, if we start to get some momentum to the upside, we'll go with it. But any type of selling that we get, I'm going to be watching very closely, because we could see some of this selling. We've been going up on really, really record low volume to the upside. Then every time we get a little bit of a volume spike, it's always to the downside. So that is an early sign of, hey, be a little bit careful here. If the volume is going to be picking up, it's looking like it's going to pick up to the downside. So something, just kind of a word of caution for us. Today's more of an update than a strategy session, but definitely want to kind of all be on the same page. Same way here with the crude. I am looking for the crude to possibly continue lower. We've been just shooting down, chopping sideways, shooting down, chopping sideways. We're in the next down leg. We had an up day yesterday, but we didn't continue after that up leg, so I am still looking for further selling off on the crude here, if any of you are watching crude. So very, very interesting. The kind of the topic of today is high volume drops and slow grind to the upside. So be very careful. If you see any type of volume spike tomorrow, pay close attention, because it could be a great opportunity for you to take some of them pullbacks and shorting opportunities, especially on an intraday basis. So that's it for today, guys. Not a real strategic video, but more of an update, something for you to be aware of going into tomorrow, because we're going up on such light volume, guys. When volume comes in, especially after this weekend, we're going to get some more volume in here after Labor Day. September's going to start up here, and we're going to start to see some volume in these markets. Be very cautious to the long side, especially if the volume kicks in, because it's wanting to sell off here. So more of a heads up here today, guys. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me, adam@directiontrader.com. If not, thanks for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Have a good evening.